Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. And what's going on here? You're wondering? It's my household chores day. Actually, I have been planning to do this a week ago, but motivation. It was lacking last week. But now I really have to do this because I want it to be off my list. But the special thing is why I'm showing this to you. It's weird, yes, but the thing is, I wanted to share to you some special trick I'm using when I'm doing this. What's this? Introducing banana leaves. It's dried out, but you can use it to clean your flat iron. Yes. This is the leftover from my cooking. It's a frozen product from Asian shop. €3 per package, maybe 5 or more in one package, one whole. Very beautiful, nice from Thailand, okay, from Asia anyway. Banana leaves, and it's a frozen stuff, and then I use it as a, instead of baking paper, I use it as a baking paper for baking. It really gives a good smell, sweet one. So now, when it's broken, when I'm cooking, I'm using a whole one. So there are some strips like this, so I don't throw them. What I do is I use it in Philippines. It's very famous to do this, old style. It's really make your flat iron slippery. See? It goes very smoothly. And one thing good as well, you are protecting your ironing board. So that's it, and it makes the chores more fun because it smells so good. It really is. You have to try. If you pass by Asian shop, grab one pack. You can freeze it, defrost it, and you take what you need, and then you put the bag, the leaves back in the freezer. You don't have to throw it. Once it's defrosted, you can again freeze it, put it back in the freezer. So that's it. We'll try. It really is smelling good. So that's especially when you have plenty. Well, it's not plenty, but I like wash and wear, but it's good also to press the stuff that you need. So when you're in a hurry, you have to go somewhere, you just pull it out from your closet. I don't like to put it out from your closet, put it on. So it's not nice that you have to go and then you still have to, yeah, I have to press my clothes. Yeah, it happens to you, I'm sure. So this is it. See how it's gliding? Smells so good. My flat iron is very happy. Yeah. And thank you for my niece, Gina. Thank you for this summer dress. It's really light and nice color, happy color. I love it. You can use it as it is, or when you're in the beach. It's a cover up. Yeah. Easy as ABC. Yes. Don't forget some tips. I hope you like this video. I hope you it's a useful one for you. Share, like, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, guys. Happy, healthy, inspired. There it goes. I think that's good. Think so? Let's fold it. I like putting laundry in the, segregating them in the washing machine, but taking it off or folding them out from the clothes dryer, the hamper. So that I don't like too much. There it goes. Smelling good as well. Ta-da! Some tips for the day. Closing up. Not closing up. As I close up, of course, the better. One big piece of banana leaves, one whole piece, it's better. But this, I just don't want to throw them because they're really useful. It's natural oil. Do you know that it's relaxing, pressing, ironing? It also burns calories, really. Any household chores you do, it's a physical activity. It doesn't mean that you have to go to the gym to do your physical activities. At home you can do it. Pressing clothes is one of them, and it's so relaxing as well. It's difficult for me to start, to start with a box of pressing the clothes. But when I start, I just take everything to the last part. And attention, it's also favorite of, may she rest in peace. Lady Diana's favorite household chores is pressing the clothes. Yes. Ta-da! Nice and easy. Ooh. Remember not to throw these pieces. You can reuse them. It gives so much nice smell. Not only that, but it's cleans your flat iron. Plancha in Tagalog, in our Philippine Tagalog language. Plancha. It's also the same in Spanish. And silitysrauta in Finnish. So guys, there we go. Almost done. Yes. Our so versatile banana leaves. Yeah. Ready to party? And we're done, guys. That's my last piece. That's from Gina as well. So guys, we'll just have to fold it. Be careful, don't burn yourself. You can hang this in the hanger or just fold it like a sales lady. See? You can close the buttons or no. So guys, we're done for the day. Cheers! Mm. Thank you guys. Bye for now. See you later.